You are watching Barricade Rides.
Videos for motorcycle enthusiasts.
We got reviews.
We got installs.
Test rides.
Interviews.
Tips.
And tricks.
And road trips.
And all around motorcycle fun.
I'm Barricade.
I'm Batsy, and we got some great content for you.
Today, we are installing a Vance Hines slip-on exhaust on Batsy's Street 750.
So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit the bell. You don't want to miss a thing.
Barricade, cue the music. So finally got in exhaust. So we're gonna get that set up, do a few things, and unbox this bad boy. Got here. Oh, wow, they wrapped this good. There we go. Wow, look at this bad boy. That's interesting. Hey, it works. So, decided to go with a little shorty pipe. Vance Hines. It was the right price. Look at this bad boy. This is gonna be much shorter. Looks much meaner. It's gonna be a lot louder. I don't know if you can see it from here. Look at that. You can tell how much shorter that's going to be. I think it's going to look great. So I'm going to get you a sound test before. I'm going to throw this bad boy on, and we're going to see how it sounds. Alright, so we're going to take a look, see how it sounds before. Let's go ahead and get this started. Old 50cc scooter. Maybe just a little louder. Alright, so I let the bike cool for a while. Time to get started. It's gonna be a fun one. Gotta start doing it before it starts raining again. So, let's get to it. Wonderful. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do, set my axe on this cold ground. Got a couple hose clamps down here. We got one big one here, one right here, and I got one right here. These two are going to help lift off the shield, that way I can get to it better and get it all set up. Screwdriver sucks. Go. Back at least. I'm still a bit stuck. Let's get the big boy off first. There we go. Now it's stuck on there good. Nicely. no catalytic converter. That's my fault for not reading the instructions, but I never do. So there's 2 bolts holding this piece on. So I got the hose clamps. And in case you're wondering, it is a 1/2 inch. So a lot of it's metric mixed with standard, which is always fun. Don't lose your washers. I'll need to put those back on there later. Go, got that. Enough. I think I need to loosen the big one a little bit more. Wiggle it. There we go. Boom. Hey, look at that thing. Ah, it's nasty. Sound to it. That way I can actually be heard. Plus it's a lot smaller, so that just gives it a nice sleek look. Alright. So, lag bolts, or carriage bolts, my bad again. Go in here. I got a little hole to slide it through. Just want to make sure to get these lined up and make sure to get it through the hose clamps onto that catalytic converter. That way. Me do what I'm doing because I'm doing it this way for a very, very specific reason.
Well, I just remove it.
I know you would. Not you. Because this one's fine. I could get past that one. It's the other one that it just keeps hitting.
With me holding it, something in place. Oh.
Got this.
So that stuff goes over this, right?
Yes.
Oh, you're doing this all wrong.
How am I?
See, that doesn't even go on it. So get it on it now. And
it's because this keeps turning is what I'm saying.
Yeah, I get it. And I completely get that it's frustrating.
Why are you tightening that?
No.
What are you doing?
I'm taking it off.
Why?
I'll show you. So, now, take care of that. Get that on there. Tighten it up. And then you can put this on there, and then you're done. Then you tighten that. So now, go ahead. All right, you go ahead and tighten those, and I will tighten this one right here.
It won't work right now. Because every time I try to put the nut on, it pushes back. I'm trying to angle it with the washer and all this other shit. There we go. Done. Fine. I'm glad he brought this one out because the other one died. So here it is.
Beautiful.
And look at that compared.
Good. Do some roundabouts while you clean up the tools.
Now let's see how it sounds. Ready?
So there you have it. Vance Hines slip-on exhaust on Batsy's Street 750, turning a sewing machine into an absolute beast.
It has a great sound. It has that deep guttural tone, and loud pipes save lives.
And the install is super easy. And as always, brothers and sisters,
Stay safe
and ride your ride.